Hey, this tutorial is to show you how to use the chord progressions quiz on tonedear.com. This is a really great free website that you can use for music theory and ear training exercises. But I love this chord progressions quiz because it's one of the only tools out there that I've found that you can use to train your ear to hearing chord progressions. So let's just go through some of the settings and then I'll show you how to do the exercise. So the first thing we have here is the chords that you can choose. You can choose multiple chords or keep it at simple triads. If you're a total beginner at doing chord progression ear training, keep it at simple triads to start with. You can set your questions to never ending, or you can set a number. I'm going to set it at 5 just for this particular demonstration, so it doesn't go too long. Then our advanced options, you can change the speed, you can change the length of progression. I'm actually going to make that the number of chords is 2 to make it nice and simple. And also so that you're learning to hear each chord in relation to the one chord first. And then we're going to put it in a fixed key so that we don't have to keep readjusting our ear for every exercise. It's going to make it easier again. So let's start the quiz. And it comes up with this screen. It shows us we've got the fixed root, we've got the 1, 4, and 5 progressions, and that we're at medium speed there on the right-hand side. And we just need to tap the Hear First Question button to start it going. So chord 1 is always 1, the tonic chord. Okay, so keep that in mind. All we have to do with this particular one, because I only selected 2 chords, is all we have to do is identify chord 2 in relation to chord 1. So let's hear it again. So the best thing you can do is actually sing the root note of each chord. And because the root note in this, I believe, is always on the bottom, like you're not using inversions, you're using root position chords, or this quiz, sorry, is using root position chords. You just want to try and sing that strong note that you hear in each chord. So I'll hear it again and then I'll sing it. And then you can actually sing from note 1 to note 2. So we go, and we can hear that that's 4 notes apart. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a 1 chord, and then the chord 2 is the 4 chord. Okay, let's hear the next one. Chord 1 is the tonic. Chord 2 is also the 1 chord. It was the same one, yeah? There wasn't any sound change between chord 1 and chord 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 and 5. Next. That's 1 and 1. So 1 and 4. Okay, great. So as you can see, we had a limited number of questions then. But you can set it to 10 questions, 20 questions, however many you like, however long you want to spend on it, or unlimited if you just want to sort of keep going. You can also get these apps on Google Play and on the App Store. So it's really handy. You can go ahead and tap one of those buttons for whatever device you have. To do that. It does cost money if you want to get the app for your phone. Only a few dollars though, and these things are always worth it. There's so much, I mean, it's cheaper than a book. So it's very much worthwhile. Or you can just use it for free on your browser tab. So you've got those options. So yeah, there is your chord progressions quiz. Have fun with that. Remember to always practice the beauty of sound and love the sounds you make, and enjoy building up this skill so that you can put on your favorite song and figure out what the chords are and how to play it.